angry and upset. I gave my best to save the evening. I bought a bottle of wine. I cooked your favorite meal, but you rejected all and started crying. You styled your hair and got a brand new dress. That's what you're yelling in my face. I promised to take you out, I know, and I would still love to go.
Baby, come on! I can't push the clouds away. Let's stay home and find something else to do.
I can take you out because the rain is falling. Within a minute you are wet. I can take you out because the rain is falling, and now you're angry and upset. Why don't you try to find a solution? Right now we can't do anything. Instead of being in a bad mood, we should see what the night can bring. The thunder's rumbling behind my